Hello ladies and gentlemen, Martin here, and today we are taking the motorcycle to get it inspected finally to where, we can actually drive this thing on the road. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So let's get the bike out of the house and get her loaded up and go get her inspected. Okay, so we just finished at the inspector. Everything went smooth. Everything went fine, like it should have. He just checked, to see if, the blinkers and tail light works. The reason I'm having to do this, actually, is because it has a rebuilt title from Alabama, and I live in Georgia, so, yeah, we have to have it inspected over here, too, to see if it, follows Georgia road guidelines or whatever. But now I have to go to the Department of Revenue to file my paperwork. So I'm gonna head there now, and yeah. Okay, so I just got back from the Department of Revenue. Everything went smoothly there as it should. They give me, my paperwork and stuff to go get my tag from the tag office and to have the title actually sent to me. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and we're gonna go ride this thing after I go get the tag and put the tag on it. So yeah, let's go get the tag and ride this thing.